how to fix Squarespace 503 service unavailable. So I'm going to explain why this happens and what you can do. So the first thing that you can do is actually check the Squarespace status. So just Google search for Squarespace status, and here it is going to show us all of the different systems and if they are operational. Now, in most cases, this is on Squarespace site. So just check if all of these are operational. If you see any outages here, then it might mean that Squarespace is currently down. If everything is operational, like it says right here, then the other thing you can do is Google search for Squarespace support contact, and then open up this first link, which is going to take us to this page here. It's going to log us in, and we'll have to choose a topic. So what we have to do here is scroll down until we see privacy policies and terms. So just select this option, and it's going to load another menu here, and we'll select data and privacy here. And you will be able to see that you can either email them or commence a live chat. I suggest throwing them an email, so just click on send an email, and the subject here will describe that we're getting error 503, the description, and you will also give them your website URL, which is the link. You can also attach a picture if you want to, but basically we'll contact them. If this is not the category that you need to choose, they will refer your they will refer your email to the correct one, and they'll contact you and resolve this issue for you. So hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.